Hello guys, welcome to P Educate. Today we are going to be showing you how to add subtitle to your video in CapCut. But before then, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So let's get into it. As you can see from my phone screen is CapCut. Just log into your CapCut, wait for it to load, then click on add new project. Now import your video from your gallery. Once your video has been imported, now the next thing you need to do is to come to text. Under text, you can see there's many options here. The one you need to click is auto caption. Just click on auto caption. Then you can see there are a lot of styles here. You can select style from the above here. From the above, you can select any style the way you want your text, your subtitle to be displayed. You can select them here. Okay, let me select this one with green color. Select this one, and after selecting, click on start. As you can see, it is generating subtitle. This is very easy and simple way to add subtitle to your video if your video is in English language. So as you can see, let me play the video for you. Let's see.
Did this guy almost get run over by an F-35, or is it not what you think? This is not a real highway. The old
If you want to edit it, you can edit the subtitle. Let me make it bigger. You can make it bigger like this, or make it smaller, or you can shift it. You can put it anywhere you want to put it. And while playing the sub video, while playing the video, you
Did this
can
guy almost get run over by an F-35, or is it not what you think? This is not a real highway. The old Pacific Highway in
just click that badge. For instance, now this where they put this, I did this badge. Come to edit badge. Edit badge. If there is subtitle error there, let me just say this California. There's mistake there, so you can edit it and put something like this there. Then save. Or you can, if you're not okay with this style, if after generating your subtitle you're not okay with this style, you can change the style down here at the bottom here. You can see style here. Just click on style, then select any style you want. Let me choose another style so you can see. Let me choose this one, then click on OK. Let's start with the video from
Did this guy almost get run over by an F-35, or is it not what you think? This is not a real...
Select any style you want. Font, you can select fonts here. You can select the fonts here. You can select styles here. The background, you can select the background here. For instance, now let me use this background. You can see, you can select background color.
The old Pacific Highway in California is now a training facility called V.
So there are many things you just use. You can select effect, animation, and many other things. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.